Hey guys, I'm Mike, and the residence halls I've lived in are Sheehan Hall and Dowden Hall.
My name is Erin. I'm a junior here at Worcester State, and I have lived in Dowden Hall and Sheehan Hall.
Hi guys, my name's Sam. I'm going to be one of your orientation leaders this year. I've lived in Sheehan Hall and Dowden Hall, and I've had so much fun here.
Being a resident has been such an amazing experience for me. It's given me many opportunities that I wouldn't have if I didn't live on campus, and I've gained a lot of independence and self-confidence from it.
Living on campus so far has been an incredible experience for me. You get the opportunity to make new friends and also gives you experience with living on your own, as well as getting out of your comfort zone.
I also really like the energy that campus brings. There's always something going on, whether it's something you have planned with your friends or an event being put on by the school. It's really easy to stay busy and entertained while living on campus.
I know for most of you this will be your first time living away from home for a while, so here are some tips to help you get you through your first year.
Your friends you're going to make in the dorm are a great place to learn when there's a time to have fun and when there's a time to study, but if you're ever looking for advice or someone to lend a hand, the resident assistants living in the dorms are a great place to look.
As a freshman, you're going to have lots of questions, and that is totally normal. I know I did too. And the best thing I could have done for myself is to get to know my freshman resident assistant. She had all the answers for me, and if she didn't, she could point me to someone who would. She gave some of the best advice I've ever heard to this day, and she was always there to talk to if you needed someone. That's how all of the resident assistants here at Worcester State are. They're here for you, and they want to hear from you, so never hesitate to reach out to them.
My RAs this past year were super helpful to me, super cool, and also gave me great advice and great information that I needed.
As you guys prepare to move in the fall, some of the best advice I can give you is to pack lightly. Trust me, you don't need as much as you think you do, but even if you end up forgetting something, you can always make a trip down to Dowden Market, or someone's always available to run to Target with you.
I also recommend keeping your keys and your one card on a lanyard like this, and make sure you keep it with you at all times, because trust me when I say this, you do not want to lose these, and you also don't want to lock yourself out of your room on accident.
I know for me, my friends and I keep a key holder right near our door, so that when we go to leave, we see our keys, we grab them, and we head out the door. So always keep these with you when you're walking around campus to avoid lockouts.
In order to balance your social life with your schoolwork and anything else, I recommend making a schedule and also writing out a plan for what you need to get done for either the day or during the week. This has helped me a lot.
Being a resident here at Worcester State, you're here for the academics, and learning how to balance your social life with your academic life can become tricky. So here's a tip for that. I use a weekly and a daily to-do list. It's a tricky adjustment, but doing something like that will really help you stay organized and focused on school.
One of the best things about Worcester State I found for being able to distress is the late night Lancers they host every Thursday night at 10. This is put on by Residence Life, and it's always a fun time. For me, one of my favorite memories I made during my freshman year was at one of these late night Lancers. It was when me and my friends were able to go to a breakfast for dinner event hosted during midterms, and it was a perfect way to distress.
One of my favorite things to do with my friends is hanging out either in the common rooms or in our rooms and watch the Patriots play.
Some of my favorite memories from living on campus would have to be the nights when my friends and I choose to stay in and do homework in the common rooms. We find ourselves talking for hours on end, and it's really helped us form a close-knit relationship with each other, and I will always love that aspect of living on campus.
To learn more about residence life, you can check out their Instagram page at WSU Res Life.
If you have any questions, don't be afraid to check out the Worcester State website at www.worcester.edu.
Looking forward to seeing you guys in the fall. Take care.
With all that being said, have a great summer, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
I'm so excited to see you guys on campus in the fall. Bye!